Hi guys, my name is AVM Somyanath, but you don't have to break your head trying to pronounce it. Just call me Venki. In this video, I'll be solving my 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and your job is to tell me if I was fast or slow, etc. Let me know down in the comments, okay? Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna long press and the time will start. And when the time is going on, I'm gonna solve my cube. And as soon as it's solved, I'm just gonna place it here. Maybe not so slowly, but yeah, I'm just gonna place it here and stop. See, that's how it's gonna go, okay? Okay, let's get going. Okay, first let me shuffle the cube. Okay, so this is the state of the cube. Let's see. Okay, this seems a little easy. Let's see how it goes. Oh man, okay, 8 seconds, not bad if you ask me. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let me shuffle it. Okay, fine. Let's get going. Okay, better than last time. 7 seconds, 80 milliseconds. Okay, just one more time, okay? U prime R2, U prime R2, F prime R2. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna solve it. Let's see. Go. Whoa, that was lucky. That was really lucky. Wow. This is my personal best. 4 seconds, 85 milliseconds. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, then obviously give it a like. Comment like I told you to. Tell me if I was fast, slow, etc. in the comments. Share this video. I need a lot of feedback. And subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of cube related videos. Okay? So, thanks for watching. Bye.